Hi there, welcome to your English class. And as you can see today, the background is a little different. And those who can recognize the background, yes, I am in the school and sitting in the staff room and recording this video for you all. And I'm sure that you will feel good about it because it's been a long time that you have not come to this school and you are missing school. That's for sure. So, coming back to the lesson, I hope that you have seen the previous video and you have read the story also. If not, then as this lesson goes on, kindly open your prose book and open to the chapter The Homecoming, and we'll continue today. Okay? Right. So we have finished the story. I have introduced Pathik to you, and you by now you know that Pathik and his brother Makhan do not have a very good relationship with each other, and they don't agree to each other's ways. And Makhan generally starts the fight, and he lies about this to his mother. He always says that Pathik has started it, and mummy scolds Pathik. And Pathik does not like this at all because आपके घरों में भी होता होगा कि छोटे वालों का साथ मम्मी पापा ज़रूर देते हैं और बड़े वाले पिस जाते हैं. So in the same manner it is the story with Pathik and Makhan also. And this time also Pathik has got lot of scolding. So in his anger he beats Makhan, and then he runs out of the house. So let's see what happens next. His mother took Makhan's side in a moment and pulled Pathik away, beating him with her hands. When Pathik pushed her aside, she shouted out, "What, you little villain? Would you hit your mother like that?" It was just at this critical juncture that the grey-haired stranger arrived. He asked what the matter was. Pathik looked sheepish and ashamed. Now, when the fight was taking place, Makhan told his mother that Pathik had beaten him. But actually ऐसा नहीं हुआ था, उल्टा हुआ था. Makhan ने Pathik का मुंह नोच लिया था. So now, at this point, mummy starts beating Pathik. और खूब उसको थप्पड़ मारती है, चाटा मारती है. And Pathik is really irritated because he is getting beating for something that he has not done. So he is angry, and at the same time when this thing is going on, when mummy is scolding Pathik and beating him, that man, अगर आपको याद हो तो एक आदमी मिला था जो एड्रेस पूछ रहा था पथिक के घर का, तो वही सेम आदमी उसके घर आ जाता है. And then he asks what happened, what is the matter. और पथिक को बड़ी शर्म आती है. He feels insulted and he feels ashamed, and then he goes away from there. Okay. But when his mother stepped back and looked at the stranger, her anger was changed to surprise, for she recognized her brother and cried, "Why, Dada? Where have you come from?" As she said these words, she bowed to the ground and touched his feet. Her brother had gone away soon after she had married, and he had started business in Bombay. His sister had lost her husband while he was in Bombay. Vishambar had now come back to Calcutta and had at once made inquiries about his sister. He had then hastened to see her as soon as he found out where she was. Okay, now this man who has come to visit Pathik's family is actually his uncle. Uska mama hai. He is the brother of his mother, and when the mother sees him, she's very surprised and shocked and happy at the same time, because she's meeting him after a very, very long time. When this lady got married, this man's name is Vishambar. Vishambar had left Calcutta and he had gone to Bombay to find some work, and then he had settled over there. But now he feels that he got a chance to come back to Calcutta, and then he is when he comes back, he tries to find out the whereabouts of his sister. और जब उसको पता चलता है कि उसकी बहन कहाँ पे रहती है, तो उसको तुरंत मिलने के लिए आ जाता है. The next few days were full of rejoicing. The brother asked after the education of the two boys. He was told by his sister that Pathik was a perpetual nuisance. He was lazy, disobedient, and wild. But Makhan was as good as gold, as quiet as lamb, and very fond of reading. Vishambar kindly offered to take Pathik off his sister's hands and educate him with his children in Calcutta. The widowed mother readily agreed. When his uncle Hughes asked Pathik if he would like to go to Calcutta with him, his joy knew no bounds and said, "Oh, yes, uncle," in a way that made it quite clear that he meant it. Now you have to understand that Makhan is very clever, okay, the younger brother, जो छोटा भाई है, और वो पिक्चर जैसे अपनी माँ को दिखाता है जैसा वो है, वैसा वो एक्चुअली में नहीं है, right? He's clever, he's good in studies, but in front of his mother he shows that he never shouts, he never fights, and Pathik is the one who's a nuisance, who's always shouting and disturbing others. So that is not the right thing, but यही चीज़ वो उस अंकल को भी बताती है. And uncle says कि अगर तुम बुरा ना मानो तो मैं पथिक को अपने साथ ले जाना चाहता हूँ. So she says that I don't know, you ask him, ask Pathik. और जब पथिक से वो पूछताछ करते हैं ऐसी बातों बातों में, उससे पूछते हैं कि क्या वो उनके साथ जाना चाहेगा. So he agrees. Pathik is too happy because he is a child who wants attention. He is a growing child. He is in his teens and teenage boys, they want love, they want attention, they want, it's a growing age, and that's what he doesn't get over here. That's what he doesn't get with his mother. So he is little sad about it, and he feels that if he will go with his uncle, maybe for a time being everything will be different, everything will be good, and he'll love the place where his uncle stays. So quickly at once he says, "Yes, uncle, I want to go with you," and uncle takes him to Calcutta. I think in the beginning I just got confused with the places. They live in this man had started his business in Bombay, but then he started working elsewhere too. So they are at present, uncle is staying in Calcutta and he wants to take Pathik along with him, right? So they agree, totally they agree, and the boy is ready to go to Calcutta with his uncle. It was an immense relief to the mother to get rid of Pathik. She had a prejudice against the boy, and no love was lost between the two brothers. She was in daily fear that he would either drown Makhan someday in the river, or break his head in a fight, or run him into some danger or other. At the same time, she was somewhat distressed to see Pathik's extreme eagerness to get away. Okay, so mummy be confused there. So you have to understand the mother's situation also. Mother is not wrong. She is a single mother. She has to take care of the two children. But Pathik seems to be a naughty child, and she is not able to हैंडल हिज नॉटीनेस. और वो उस नॉटीनेस में, क्योंकि वो हमेशा मक्खन का साइड देती हैं, तो पथिक बहुत अग्रेसिव हो गया है. और उस अग्रेशन में ये मम्मी को डर लगा रहता है कि कहीं अपने भाई को मार न डाले, कहीं नदी में न डुबो दे, कहीं मार के उसको he shouldn't beat him badly, or he shouldn't kill him, or he shouldn't drown him. So mother is little worried कि जिस तरीके से वो बड़ा हो रहा है, जिस तरीके से उसका aggression है, he might harm the little or younger brother. So she is confused that it's a relief that he will go, तो उसका टेंशन उसके पास नहीं रहेगा. लेकिन जब वो देखती है कि उसका बेटा इतना ज़्यादा खुश है और वो जाना चाहता है और वो यहाँ नहीं रुकना चाह रहा है, तो वो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि ही इज़ सो हैप्पी टू लीव मी, व्हाई इज़ इट लाइक दैट. सो शी फील्स बैड ऑल्सो अबाउट इट. ओके, बट एट द सेम टाइम शी थिंक्स कि मे बी वो दूसरी जगह जाएगा, सो इट विल बी अ रिलीफ फॉर हर. Pathik, as soon as all was settled, kept asking his uncle every minute when they were to start. He was on pins and needles all day long with excitement and lay awake most of the night. He bequeathed to Makhan in perpetuity his fishing rod, his big kite, and his marbles. Indeed, at this time of departure, his generosity towards Makhan was unbounded. So this time, when the time comes that he has to go with his uncle, he was so happy, he was so excited, like every other child कि जिसको बाहर जाना हो तो बहुत खुश हो जाता है. So he is very happy, he is very excited, और वो अपने छोटे छोटे टॉयज़ को जमा करते रहता है और पूरे दिन पूछता रहता है कि when are we going, when are we going. और इस समय उसको अपने भाई पे भी गुस्सा नहीं आता है, because he is ready to share his toys. और वो कहता है कि मैं तो जा रहा हूँ तो तुम ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो. And he is being very generous towards his brother. At the same time, he is not aware of how life will change for him in the new place. But he is happy, he is excited, and he is ready to go with his uncle. Okay, so today we will study this much, and in the next video we'll continue the story ahead. Okay, so I hope you liked the surprise of the background behind. In the next video I'll be back at home, so see you then, live in action. This is from Kamal, but next week I'll be back home from my own place. So if you have any problems, please do ask me. I'll be happy to help you. Okay, till then, love you and take care.